Let me just preface this by saying I know that this video is gonna be a show. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm Kayla, for those of you who are new. For those of you who are not new, thank you so much for coming back. I'm so happy that you're here and you're at another one of my videos. Before I get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button. I would love to get 5 subscribers from this video. So if you like it, if you like the look that we have going on, I know you haven't seen me do it yet, but if you like it, you should go ahead and subscribe and check out my other videos. I want you to stay. I want you to be a part of what we got going on here. What are we doing today? That's a great question. I barely know myself. So today I wanted to try to do that like TikTok little makeup that y'all like to be doing. Mostly, you know, I've been on Pinterest a lot. I've been seeing a lot of these little TikTok makeup tutorials of like this very like model-esque, next to nothing makeup, and I thought that I would try it, kind of do my own rendition of it. So this is what we came up with, and to be honest, I really like it. I love how it came out. So if you guys want to see how I got this, it really wasn't too hard. It's definitely not as easy as they make it look in the TikToks, but it really wasn't that hard. So I'm rambling. But anyways, thank you guys for being here. I hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you very soon. So today, as I probably mentioned in the intro, I'm gonna be doing like the little TikTok makeup that's like on the internet and like TikTok. So this isn't really gonna be like trying TikTok hacks video or anything like that. This is gonna be like a really shitty ratchet tutorial where I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna try it anyways. So if that interests you, please stay. If it doesn't, don't know if this is gonna be funny, cute, or useful at all, but let's just do it. Okay, so I don't have TikTok. I refuse to get it for a number of reasons. One being I'm still very hurt and upset about what happened to Vine several years ago and how they dismantled that. Never really got over it. So I spend most of my time on Pinterest. And if you are on Pinterest, you know that there are a lot of little TikTok videos that surface there. And so I have been seeing a lot of tutorials that aren't really tutorials because you don't learn anything from the videos. It's a lot of people doing like, they're really like model-esque, like next to nothing makeup with like the fox eye that's really just a cat eye. I have a few videos that I am gonna go off of. I feel like I'm kind of rambling right now, so I'm just gonna jump into doing some stuff on my face. So now that I currently look like a bald baby doll, oh my god, that one was not. Oh, I didn't learn anything from that. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows. There's that trend going around, I know you're all very aware of it, where people shave off the ends of their eyebrows so that their eyebrows are like straight up. I don't think that would suit my face at all, so I'm not even gonna attempt it. As well as if I shave off half my eyebrow and then I try to draw on half my eyebrow, like I could just feel like you can tell it's a drawn on eyebrow, and I really hate that look. I mean, do you, of course, but couldn't be me. Okay, I guess I'll go ahead and do my foundation. So like I said, a lot of people do these like next to nothing looks where they like don't even use foundation, they like just use concealer. Maybe she did use foundation. The thing is, nobody shows themselves really doing anything. They show themselves like putting a swipe on, and that's like that's it. I'm gonna put on a full face of foundation. Something that I saw today was a dupes video, and like I said, I'm not on TikTok. I don't know what's been going around, what's not been going around, how long ago this was, but people just found out that the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer is a dupe for the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I've been using the e.l.f. one for a while now, and I've always loved it, so it's kind of baffling to me that people are just figuring this out, but I'm going to be using my e.l.f. primer for that reason. This is the matte one. I thought about trying that hack where people do like their moisturizer and the powder, then the primer, then their foundation. But I didn't want to do that because knowing myself, I was gonna fuck it up and it just wasn't gonna be good. So I was like, we'll save that for a different video. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Matte and Poreless. Wow, I look so much more tan now that this is on my face. I think the foundation looks nice. It's a nice medium coverage. I don't want anything too crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna do concealer next. This isn't a concealer, this is a foundation, but I really like the color of it. It's very full coverage, so I want to use it under my eyes. There's that trend, that hack that's like you put the concealer on the outer part, the inner part, and like I've seen people do like a line like in the center of their eye, and it's supposed to like be better than doing like the whole under eye thing. But honestly, in my opinion, not that I've tried it yet, I'm about to, I feel like you yield the same results. Like at the end of the day, like once you blend it out, like it's gonna be entirely under your eye. I don't know, maybe it's like a way to use less product or something. I couldn't tell you. Definitely would help you apply less product, but I don't know. I just don't feel like it's as lifting. Like I don't think it's any more lifting than the other method. But hey, we're always here for new techniques. What do you guys think? Do I look lifted? Do I look snatched? I don't know. I don't know. You guys can be the judge of this because I feel like if I had done my regular concealer routine with the just, you know, under the eyes, I think it would have done the exact same thing. I will say though, a lot less product is being used when you do it that way. I like how this looks so far. I feel very TikTok-ish. Okay, I'm gonna go in with blush while my stuff is kind of baking, and it's this ColourPop cream blush. Cream blush is like very popular right now. I feel like it's very TikTok. All the little TikTok girls like to do their little nose blush and stuff, so that's what we are gonna do. I like doing it too, but they really like doing it. She didn't even show herself putting it on. She just showed the product, which was literally, oh no, she put it on with her finger. Okay, I'm gonna do it too. She went dab, dab, dab. This is what all the little, yeah, they totally do this with like that real model-y look. Dab, dab, dab. Butter bronzer, of course, as always. Like, I just watched this one video and this girl did easy makeup for beginners, and she put 2 dots of concealer under her eyes, put a bunch of bronzer on and like cream blush, and that's cool. That's fine. Her skin was also perfect and she had these really beautiful freckles. So I don't know if that works for everybody. It wouldn't work for me. I can tell you that. And it's like also you really don't get to see like how much like time or effort they're putting into each step. Like it makes it look like really effortless and stuff. So when it might not be that effortless, I don't know. That's just me. I'm just saying. Okay, now for the fun part, we're gonna do eyes. And I know that you guys are all probably super familiar with the fox eye trend. Now, I had some things that I could say about that. What I am going to say is that that trend isn't anything new. Like, it's literally a cat eye, but with like brown eyeliner. Like, it's meant to be a bit softer. But it's nothing new, and it's really not that hard. Yeah, man. TikTok took over that fox eye. If you guys watched my lavender makeup tutorial or have followed me on Instagram, you would know how I like to do some of my faux freckles. Hopefully this doesn't look like dirt. Very well could look like dirt. So I'm just using this. This is the Tartelette, the original palette. It has some really nice, ooh, is that, can I see that? I don't know. Some really nice, like neutral colors in it. So neutral colors are definitely favored on the talk. Now we are going to do our little wing. There's this one girl that I keep seeing on Pinterest. Her name is Millie, and I swear every single one of the videos that I've seen on here of her are the same, look the exact same. Maybe they are the same thing, I don't actually know, but I feel like she's probably very popular because she does that very like modelly makeup, whatever. Okay, actually, okay, I am gonna do a pencil. This is ColourPop Mr. Bing. Anyways, you want to stick very close to your lash line. I stick across your lash line and it'll bring it in to the inner corner, and that is part of what like really makes the fox eye. Then I'm gonna take my little you know, angled brush, and I'm just gonna pull the wing. There's nothing on it. I'm just gonna pull the wing out, and it will kind of naturally sharpen it. And honestly, like that's like it. That's like how it's literally how they do it. And like it's cute. Obviously it's very minimal. I am gonna go in with one of these dark brown shades, maybe both of them, from the palette, and just kind of darken up the wing, maybe make it a little bit longer, just to my own specific taste. Now we're gonna do lashes. Fun part. I've seen a bunch of different hacks, one of them involving a blow dryer, which we're not gonna do. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes today. I never really curl my natural eyelashes because I already have very curly eyelashes, but I've been seeing this thing where people's eyelashes are just sticking like straight up. I don't know if that's the trend, but I guess we're gonna try it and see what happens. Whatever. Okay, but I feel like, okay, I haven't seen this on TikTok, but I feel like this would be a very like TikTok-y thing to do, which is use a lash primer. I've talked about this in maybe like 1 or 2 of my other videos, but this is a, oh my god, I've talked about this in 1 or 2 of my other videos. It is this Lancome lash primer, and it goes on white and then it turns clear, and it's supposed to help your mascara look better or something. It literally looks like I have on my eyelashes. Kidding. I want to know what that looks like. I've also seen people separate their eyelashes with tweezers, but I'm not going to do that because if I did, I would literally scratch my cornea. I'm not trying to do that, so I have mascara all over my eyelid. You guys, I'm thoroughly impressed with myself right now. Not with TikTok, with me. I'm gonna get a Q-tip or something to rub off this mascara. I'm gonna pick out my lip color, get a highlighter, and be right back. This is the ColourPop Super Shock Highlight in Parasol. Okay, then lastly for lips, a lot of them do like really like natural lips. I've seen people just do like lip balm or lip gloss. So I'm gonna do kind of like a sheer lipstick situation. So first I'm gonna start by lining my lips with this Just a Tint crayon by ColourPop. It is in the shade, gosh, Cherry Pickin'. And now I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Lipstick. It's one of their, what is this, moisturizing lipsticks in the shade Ravishing Rose. And yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do anything else. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I think I nailed it. Okay? Okay. What do you guys think? Could I be like a TikTok girl? Could I be like a TikTok like beauty guru with my freckles and like my fox eye and shit? That's it, you guys. I know this video is probably all over the place. It's probably a shit show. Hopefully I made you laugh at least once. If I did, you should go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the like button to let me know that you liked this and that you want to see more from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support so far. Let me know down below if you guys have a TikTok, if you like it, if you think I should get one. I probably won't really post stuff because I like putting stuff on IGTV. But just let me know. Let me know your thoughts, your unpopular opinions, whatever the case. And that is it from me. So until next time, I will see you next time. Bye.